Sound is a type of energy made by vibration. When any object vibrates, it causes movement in the particles. These particles bump into particles close to them, which makes them vibrate too. Causing them to vibrate into more air particles, this movement called sound waves keep going until they run out of energy. If your ear is within range, you hear the sound. If the vibration is fast, you hear a high note. If the vibration is low, it creates a low note. Now I'm going to make some sound called the cup full of chicken sound. All you need is a screwdriver, a cup, a popsicle stick, a piece of yarn, a piece of paper towel, and a cup of water. First step, take a screwdriver and make a hole in your cup. Second step, take your popsicle stick and tie your yarn to your popsicle stick, double or triple. It just needs to be secured. Takes time. Then take your screwdriver and make a hole make your yarn with your screwdriver to poke a hole in your cup. Now you can take your other end and pull it. Now take your piece of paper towel and dip it into your water. So it'll look like this now. Now I will take my piece of yarn and then like this, I will wrap it around it like this. Now I'll pull it. Why does this happen? The vibration travels through the yarn and then the vibration goes into the yarn and then travels through the cup, and then the cup makes the echo. And then the cup also magnifies the sound, so it makes it louder. And I encourage you to use different cups for different sound and make this experiment at home. Thank you for listening.